Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward tutorial on how to remove a payment method on Temu in 2025. Whether you're updating your payment info, switching cards, or just wanting to secure your account, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Temu is a popular shopping app, and managing your payment methods is super important for privacy and security. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Temu app installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. If you're not already in the app, go ahead and open it up. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon or the menu button, usually in the top right or bottom corner, and tap on it to access your account settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings or Account Settings option and give that a tap. Inside Settings, hunt for a section labeled Payment Methods, Wallet, or something similar. This is where all your saved payment details are stored. Once you're in there, you'll see a list of your added cards or payment options. Now, select the payment method you want to remove. It might say Edit or Manage next to it. Click on that. You'll then see an option to delete or remove the method. Go ahead and confirm the action when prompted. Temu might ask for additional verification, like your password or a PIN, to ensure it's really you making the change. After you've confirmed, double-check by going back to the Payment Methods section to make sure it's no longer listed. That's it. You've successfully removed your payment method. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the option not appearing, make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version, as interfaces can change. Removing a payment method is a smart way to protect your financial info, especially if you're no longer using that card. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.